Hello. Figured I'd try my new mic out today. See if you guys can hear me a little bit better. I haven't done much on the car since before Christmas. Just finally getting back out in the garage. So I went out today, messed around a little bit, and I got a little bit of an issue on the front frame rail. They're not level. The whole rest of the car's level. And I've got it on a stand, and it's welded to the stand. But the front frame rails are off, I'll say a little over 1/8 of an inch maybe. So I looked on the internet looking for diagrams. There's a few of them out there, but you look on the forums and that, and what people say, some say the one's right, one's wrong, they're all wrong. So if anybody's got any type of diagram out there that they know is right, that would be awesome. I'm not super concerned about how far it's off, because I ordered a brace for it, what do you call it, an export brace. See if that gets it back where it needs to be. When I got the car, the passenger side had been messed with, but the driver's side hadn't. But it also been moved around quite a bit. Like I say, I got the whole rest of the car level. It's fine from the floor supports back. Everything's great. It starts kind of going out of whack just right before where the engine mounts. So anyway, I'll show you that. Hopefully you can hear me better with this new mic. That was kind of the big deal. And I kind of want to go over the Marti report for it. You can get a report on 67 and newer, I guess, that shows you what they were built with, you know, how they came, options, all that. I'm sure somebody's already made a video on it, but I wanted to show you the one on this car. So let's check out that frame rail and I'll show you the Marti report on it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that great, but the bubble's not in the center. The driver's side's lower than the passenger side. And I don't know which one's right. I'm not super concerned about it. But if anybody does have a diagram out there, that'd be great. Or knows what the measurement should be. The car hasn't been, I don't see any accident damage or anything on it. The whole front end's square, I mean perfect, which is unusual for being as old as it is, I would think. Anyway, I put it on this stand, or it was on the stand when I got it, and I modified it a little bit to turn it into a jig. Added some extensions to it. You can see the mounting points there where the control arms go. There's adjustable bolts, or bolts for adjustment, up underneath where the frame floor supports are. Then once I got it level, I welded it to the cart with these arms. You can see there on the rocker, at 4 points on the car so it can't move. And I've also got the same setup back here in the back. It's kind of tight in here, so, but anyway, both sides, all that's all, I mean, it ain't going anywhere. I got a really cool couple things for it. That is pretty cool. Tri-power setup. It's an S-code 390 car, like it says in the description on the videos. Anyway, like I say, it's tight in here. Let's go in and I'll show you that Marti report. So here's that report. I covered up some of the information. I don't want any, you know, I'm not advertising for anybody. I just think it's kind of cool that they can do this. And the VIN numbers I covered up, because I just hear horror stories about what people can do with titles and such. Anyway, the main thing is the report that they give you is kind of cool. It shows you what the options it came with when it was built and all that. This shows it's a one of one car, but I'm sure if you drill down the options, paint, all that you can, there's quite a few one of one cars, maybe not, I don't know. I just know I like the car, so, and I've always wanted one, so that's why I'm doing this. Anyway, and they give you this window sticker copy. That's pretty cool. Kind of neat. Kind of a different optioned car. It's got a lot of GT stuff, it looks like, but it's not a GT car. So anyway, that's the report I wanted to show you. Okay, so that's my video. I'm gonna try and do some more, posting videos, all that, as I get time, of course. Winter time's kind of hard because, as you can see, I'm a little cramped. Anyway, if anybody does have any of those measurements, that'd be awesome. If you like the video content, like, subscribe, and I'll do my best to keep posting stuff. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.